Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. The next video and unboxing I'd like to do today is on a product called Lulacool gun magnet mount. It's a 55-pound rating magnetic strip for gun holster, guns, anything metal on metal really. Of course this is primarily supposed to be used for guns, but I think there'd be other applications this could be used for a gun holster. It's rubber coated gun holder for handgun, shotgun, rifles, revolvers. It can go in your truck, wall, desk, car holster, and using for concealment. So here we have the cardboard box. There's nothing special on shipping, it just came this way. And inside, let's go ahead and open it here. You have the 4 separate magnets, and there's and you have an adhesive strip for metal, or I'm sorry, for wood if you're going to mount it onto wood. Otherwise, if you're using metal, of course, then you don't need the adhesive strip. But they come 4 to a container with 4 of the adhesive strips. And as you can see, they're extremely powerful magnets. If you line them up perfectly, you can't take them apart. You have to bend them to get it out right. They're very powerful magnets. And how they do it is inside one is multiple magnets. So it's like a magnet in a magnet. But then they also come with the screws and the set screws for wood if you're going to use it. My primary use is going to be for guns and accessories. Like I put that in my safe, and then I could put a mag on there and have multiple mags per each magnet. Same with the pistol. I could probably put 2, maybe 3 pistols on each one. Like I said, it's got a 55-pound hold, so a little 1- 2-pound pistol, or even a rifle of 5-10 pounds isn't gonna even do anything to that. So, and almost all safes are of course made of metal, so you just put it right in your safe where you want it and set it up. Magnet with a pistol along your bedside, under your desk table, or holding a shotgun on wood. So you'd need of course the wood screws and the adhesive. As I said before, they're extremely strong. They hold up to 55 pounds, which it's probably even higher than that. Like I said, you put 2 of them together, you're not getting them apart easy. They're made of very premium quality as well. They're high quality rubber coated, firmly holds the firearms without scratching them, which to me is important. Install almost any gun type or model in many ways for quick draw access. They have a low profile size and strong power, as I've said before, up to 55 pounds rating, with rare earth magnets, and it's a compact size, 3.58 length by around 1.4 inches, and they are about 0.27 inches in height. So they hold without wobbling, falling off. Their optimized internal magnet layout maximizes the strength. So like I said, there's actually multiple magnets inside this one magnet. So that's my review on the Lulacool gun magnet mount. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.